If you're wondering about the graphics that now have suddenly appeared on the side of the van, I have some videos in my Wonder Wagon playlist that details how I went about applying the graphics to the side of the van with graffiti paint. There's even a time lapse for those of you that don't want to watch the whole story. Today I'm going to fit an awning rail to the side of the van up here. The C-channel awning rail looks like this. It's 3 meters long and I bought it off a chap off eBay. It's going to go along the top of the high top there, which is made of fiberglass. And because I don't want to drill and make holes in the roof, I'm going to use either one of these two adhesive sealants from Sikaflex. I'm going to install the awning rail along this line here so it's nice and neat. So I'm just cleaning off all the residue on the roof here. Going to give it a good key with a bit of sandpaper here. Okay, the sun. Nice key. Right, so using my makeshift workbench here, marked off the length of the aluminium to cut. I'm just going to cut it with a hacksaw. Now I'm going to use a nice dirty old file to clean up the edges. With the awning rail now cut to length, we used webbing straps over the top of the roof to secure the awning rail in place and to force it to shape. We then applied Sikaflex to the length of the awning rail and pressed it against the roof using blocks of wood to give it shape. Now we can secure our drive-away awning to the awning rail. We have it set at about 2.4 meters tall. We also use the awning rail to secure our Remo Mauritius sun canopy, which is perfect for camping in the warmer climates of France, Spain and Portugal. That's the next project. Sort out the step. It's the last remaining bit of what was a community bus. So we're going to take that all out and fit a nice new plastic one.
treatment.
And there you have it, a nice shiny new Van X step. Happy days!